YouTube, what's going on, baby? It's your boy T to the Bone. Just walked into the shop, about to get ready to set up. You know what I'm saying? You see what I'm doing here, man. You see what I'm doing here. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? But anyways, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to get ready to set up, get my day started. I got an appointment at 10 o'clock. And just wanted to get at y'all for a second. I got this tutorial I'm about to drop, you know what I'm saying? Real simple tutorial, you know what I'm saying? Drop fade. He brought it back to the juice day.
Yo, you got the juice now, man.
Know what I mean? And a nice drop fade on the side to bring the whole cut all together. Real simple cut. You know what I'm saying? Nice little lining. And that's what we're gonna do. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do it on curly top. You hear me? Stay tuned.
Alright guys, jumping right into the tutorial. I'm going to be picking through the hair, lifting the hair up off the scalp, so when I cut the top it'll be easier to cut through. Alright, now in this next step I'm going to be setting my ball line in the rainbow shape. If you ever seen the TV show Reading Rainbow, okay, I might have told my age on that one, but anyways, we're going to be doing a rainbow shape up and around the ears, and then we're going to drop it in the back. And we're going to repeat the same step on the right side. Alright, now this next step, coming in with a number 2 guard with the lever all the way open, is what I started with, but I eventually closed that lever because I normally start with the lever all the way closed, but for some reason I started with the lever open, but we're not going to talk about that. But anyways, lever all the way open, and I'm going to go up and flick out right off the parietal ridge, and then we're going to do that, continue that around the whole head. Alright, next step, we're going to be opening the lever all the way, and we're going to be setting in our first guideline, going up about a ½ an inch. Now that we got the first guideline set in, we're going to close that lever and we're going to go ahead and start knocking out the ball line that I created. Now, noticing that I'm opening that lever halfway as I go up gradually up on the fade, and continue to fade, continue that process. So coming around the back side, I'm just going to repeat the same steps that I did on the left side, starting out with the lever all the way closed, and as I gradually go up on that fade, I'm going to open the lever halfway, and we're going to keep that process until we knock that line out. Alright, now jumping over to the one guard lever all the way open, I'm going to be setting in my second guideline. And we're going to be going up about another 1/2 inch. And we're going to set this in around the entire head. Alright, now that we got that finished, we can jump into our next step. So our next step is going to be adjusting lever halfway with the half guard attached. And then we're going to go ahead and knock out the first guideline. Gradually go up on that fade. I'll open my lever all the way, and as you notice, I'm fading right up under the second guideline, but I'm not going past that. And just keeping it consistent. Closing that lever all the way should finish knocking out the ball guideline. Alright, now so jumping over to the back section, let's get that right. We're just going to repeat the same technique that I did on his right side, and we're going to keep it to moving, keeping it consistent, keeping it thorough, and getting it done. Yeah. Now I know y'all see my head dipping in and out of the camera like a bootleg movie, but you know I'm locked in. I'm focus mode. You know what I mean? So pardon me for that. Okay, now that we got the first guideline faded in oh so well, I'm coming back with the 2 guard on my Andis Master with the lever all the way closed. And as you can see, I'm knocking this line out right up in the corner, right under the parietal ridge. And as you can see me going up there doing some debulking, but I'm gonna come back with the 2 and also blend that area. And then I'm gonna come back with an open 1. Y'all see me going to town on that second guideline. We gonna get that to blend in. We gonna knock that line out. Trust me. Jump in with that 1 with the lever all the way open, and we're gonna start attacking that line. Working it out. Then we're gonna close that lever all the way and keep working that fade. Now we're gonna open that lever up, back up halfway. As y'all know that I'm going gradually up. As I go up, I open, and then I go back down, I close. Backside, as you know, I'm just repeating the same steps in order to get the job done. So switching to the half guard, took the one guard off and jumped in with the half guard, just because this area was right here with the one guard closed. It wasn't budging, the line wouldn't come out, so I jumped in with the half guard, which is the lower guard, and as you can see, it's starting to fade in oh so well. So sometimes, man, you know, you got to go lower. You know, if a line's not coming out, you know what I mean, depending on what you start with, you go lower. You know what I mean? If you're taking too much off, open that thing right back up. And as you can see now, I'm just going back around the fade and doing some detailing with that half guard. You know what I mean? Now at this moment, I know you guys see me just working my way around the head using the same steps. So I'm just repeating the same steps, starting out with the 2. And then we're going to keep it the move. We're going to keep working this fade. Right now that we got the fade part done, we're gonna take a little bit less than half off. And of course, you know, I gotta finish off the cut with the scissors, you know what I mean? Just to give it that extra touch, you know what I mean? Alright, now as we all know, okay, I said it in my last video, the lining is the most important thing. And like I say, use discretion when you come to the edge up. And you know, just make sure you don't push them back. You know, make sure you keep it as natural as possible. Some people would like their lining a little bit sharper, so you might have to push it back a little bit. But that's all in the consultation. You know what I'm saying? We're talking to your client, you know what they like and what they want as far as the cut in the hairline. So right now we're just keeping it consistent and keeping it crispy. You know what I mean? Alright YouTube, this is the cut. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and also turn on your notification bell. Will let you know when I'm dropping my next video. TC the Barber, I'm out. Peace.